Does Brickseek work? How do you find Walmart hidden clearance? How are you finding all these deals? These were some common questions that I've been getting on my last few videos of doing hidden clearance at Walmart and just finding different deals. You guys are wondering how exactly I was doing it. You're wondering about the Brickseek website. How does it work? Does it actually work? Is it worth the money? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to break down for you guys today in this video. My name is Garrett. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. I sell stuff online for a living. So if that's something you're interested in learning more about, be sure to join the family by hitting that subscribe button. But I don't want to waste any time. Let's hop right on into Brickseek. I'm going to dive into my computer, show you guys how it works, how much it costs, the different features it has, how to find different deals, show you just a little type of different things that you get with the Extreme membership, so on and so forth. So let's hop on into my computer and we'll go right into it. All right, guys, so this is Brickseek, and if you're new and unfamiliar with this website, basically it's just a deals website, and they have a software that identifies different clearance and markdowns at different retail stores in different areas, mostly Walmart, Target, a little bit of Lowe's, a little bit of Home Depot, and I believe Staples. Now, there's also a few cool different kind of features that Brickseek has besides notifying you of deals, which I will go over in this video. But there's a free version of this, and there's also like a $10 a month and a $30 a month. And what I'm going to be going over in this video is the $30 Extreme membership. It basically gets you the highest set of perks for this website. You're going to get sent the most deals in your area. The search map is going to be bigger. I'm going to go over all of this stuff with you guys. So first, let's start off by going to the deals section. You can browse trending deals that are trending throughout Brickseek, the newest deals, trending online deals, so they even notify you of online markdown. So if you want to do a little bit of online arbitrage, you can go that route as well. And also trending in-store deals. You can also filter through the different categories to find deals in different categories. I like going with toys and games, electronics for most of the time. When I'm doing like Walmart hidden clearance, that's what I tend to have the best luck with. Now, there's also inventory checkers, so you can go to like Walmart, right? And we can start searching for inventory. Now, this is definitely going to be hit or miss, right? Let's pretend like we want to look for this item right here. So we're going to click check inventory. And also, if you find like a deal at a specific Walmart, you can search for that individual item on inventory checker here on Brickseek, and it'll show you other Walmart locations that actually have that item in stock. Again, it's probably 70% of the time it's wrong. You're going to go to that Walmart and you're not going to find it. But it definitely helps if you're just going Walmart to Walmart and you're looking for a specific item. So basically, as you can see, we looked up this item right here. I typed in my zip code. Again, you can search by UPC. So if you find a product in store, you type that in and check inventory. But we can go down here and see all the locations that might have it in stock, that are out of stock, so on and so forth. So we can see there's only 2 locations around me that say it's in stock, and there's only 2 to 3 quantity, and this item's going for 57 cents. So this is just technically kind of how this perk works. You can also make a shopping list. So if you're going to go to different stores, you can make a different shopping list on your route, so on and so forth. So that's kind of the whole inventory checker thing. Again, very hit or miss, but it's definitely a nice tool to have. Now let's check out the members area. This is the premium members and extreme members area, right? You're not going to get this on the free membership, right? So what you can do is, one of the good things I like to do is doing the markdowns by store. And I'm going to show you guys why. So when I go to a Walmart, right, I don't want to be looking at deals from other Walmarts that aren't going to be at this Walmart. So let's say I'm going to pick a Walmart, just a random one. Let's say I'm going to this Walmart right here, right? So I pull out my phone in the store and I look down the markdowns for that specific store, right? And what I like to do is I like to go over to categories and I like to filter whichever section I'm in just to narrow down the amount. So let's say I'm in the toy section in that specific location. I'd click toys and then I'd go show markdowns, okay? It's gonna show me all the toy markdowns for this specific Walmart location. So what I can do is, if I'm looking for products to resell in store that might be on hidden clearance, So I'm going to be looking for these toys that say they are on markdowns. Most of the time, I only find one or two, and a lot of the other ones aren't even on there. Like I can tell you, I was at this Walmart the other day. This was full price. They had them in stock, but they were full price. Couldn't find any of these. Couldn't find any of these that I was looking for to flip. They did have some of these plush toys. And what else did I find? I found some of these Transformers as well. So it's definitely hit or miss, but that is what I do when I'm going into these Walmarts is I go to the members area. I do markdown by store. You can do this for Target, Lowe's, Office Depot, Macy's, and Home Depot. And I just pull out my phone and look at the markdowns for that specific location. Now let's try electronics, right? Show 16 markdowns in the electronics section. It's going to show you the video games that are marked down for that location, a cell phone, a little Pac-Man toy. You guys kind of get what I'm talking about. So this is what I do every single Walmart I walk into. I choose that location and I view that specific store's markdowns. Now another cool feature is we can see today's markdown. So stuff that was marked down today. This is also a great thing. You can get quick notifications because if there's a really hot item that's flipping well on Amazon, people with Brickseek are going to clear out all the locations. So you definitely want to be on top of this. So I always like browsing through the daily markdowns just to see if there's a specific item that's super killer. You're not going to find a ton of them, but it's definitely worth having. Another cool thing I want to show you guys here on Brickseek is you can kind of check the other third-party marketplace prices to see what they're going for. So the feature I wanted to show you as well is when you're searching for deals, you can also just check the prices right here from your computer for the different marketplaces like Walmart third-party marketplace, Target, Best Buy, Amazon third parties only selling for $7.24. This is going to be a $10 clearance item, so I definitely wouldn't be searching for this item to flip. But this is definitely something where you can come on here, get an idea of the market to where you can make a list and plan a route to go searching for these items that you know are profitable, just so you're not wasting a ton of time in store researching every item. You've already done your research up front. And just to show you kind of some of the other features like trending online deals, it's pretty cool. Let's show you some different stuff real quick. You can go down here. I like kind of just doing the stores I like, you know, Walmart, Target. You can find good deals everywhere. You can also find some Amazon arbitrage stuff as well. But let's just filter this out by, let's say we're going to look for toys, right? I love selling toys. We have online selected over here under deal type, and these are all the deals you can order online directly to your house. So this is a great, easy way to get your foot in the door to doing some online arbitrage, because what we can do is we can just simply click on all these different products, quickly check them on Amazon, see if they're profitable, see if it's a good ranking item, and then order it. So they give you tons of great deals almost every day. I mean, 2 weeks ago, I picked up some Funkos for like $2.50 from Walmart that I've pretty much already sold them all on Amazon. So that I got about 20 different Funko Pops. So I made a good, $80-100 off of those. So that already paid for my $30 membership. So that's pretty much everything. There's a community area. I don't really look at this stuff. There's Facebook groups that could be valuable for you guys as well. There's a blog, but the really only way I use Brickseek is just when I'm going in stores, I'm using the markdown by store, and then I'm also just checking the daily deals, seeing what products are coming in, seeing if there's any hot online deals, and that's kind of how I use Brickseek. I just wanted to give you guys this quick tutorial because everyone was giving, questions in the comment section on my last few videos asking how are you finding these hidden clearance items. A lot of them I pick up on here, and then once you kind of start doing that, you just kind of start running into other clearance items as well as you're at Walmart. But this is definitely a great tool to find deals, check inventory at different locations, even though most of the time it's wrong. But for $30 a month, if you're someone who's doing retail arbitrage full time, this is a great tool for you. That's pretty much it, guys. That is how Brickseek works. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think it's worth it personally if you're doing retail arbitrage seriously at Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and all those other stores that Brickseek works with. I definitely think it's a great tool. Yes, it's not accurate at least half the time, but if you're in these stores consistently looking for products to resell, you're definitely gonna find some of the stuff that pops up on Brickseek that is like hidden clearance. Yes, you're not gonna just crush it every single time you go to a Walmart and find every single deal that Brickseek puts out, but it's a great tool to have. You will find a few items at each store from Brickseek that you can flip. There's also the online option that I've been using as well to do a little bit of online arbitrage. So for 30 bucks a month, I really don't think you can beat it. And the really cool thing is when you're actually in these stores, you can look at the markdowns by the actual store, not just a broad statement across the board of all the Walmarts in your area. You can actually see the markdowns for that specific store. So that's what I think personally is worth the $30, is if you're in these stores going to one store after another, pop out your phone, pull up Brickseek, look at the markdowns in that store, go searching for them. Maybe you find some, maybe you don't. But that is going to wrap it up for this video, guys. And if you're new to the channel, be sure you join the family, smash that subscribe button. Also, if you guys could please leave me a like or dislike and a comment on this video, it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'd greatly, greatly appreciate it. But until next time, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.